And now let's take a look at how to change the colors on your store. And we can actually do that for each individual section. So let's say we want to change the colors for this section right here. What we can do is simply click into this section, and then on the left side here under options, we can scroll down and look for color scheme. Currently we are on color scheme 1, which makes the background white and the text black. But we can also change it to this scheme 5, for example, which would make the background dark. Or we could choose theme scheme 4, which would make the background this light blue. Now, usually I think the default scheme looks the best, so I'm going to go back to scheme 1 right here. And we can actually individually change the colors of these schemes by going up here and clicking on the gear icon to go to the theme settings. Here is where before we have set up our logo here at the top, but we can also go here to colors, and then we can see the palette for all of these different color schemes. So for example, let's say we want to change that blue in the background for the scheme 4, we can just click into it. And then here for background, we could just choose another color if we want to. So if you already have some branded colors that you want to use on your store, this is where you would change those colors or even add a completely new color scheme with all of your branded colors.